Okay, well, one thing I wanted to do is take this project that I've been working on, and as you can see, there's actually kind of some commenting, okay, but there's minimal commenting. And I wanted to go in and there's not much to comment. It's just down to here, you know. I mean, because the main is pretty self-explanatory, although we can add comments there. So let's start up here. This is not triangles CPP, but that's where I took the code from, I think, initially. OpenGL Play project. By Jeff Cummings. Yeah, okay, that's probably the least important comment. VAOID lines number. Okay, let's see. So let's maybe move this one, move it up to there. See, and then stuff that's based on num vertices, let's kind of keep that all together. See, like right there. And then radius will move up. Wait, do we even use radius? Be a pepper tree. I don't think we use radius. Let's compile and make sure I didn't mess anything up. No, we're good. We're good, it works. Yeah, we don't use the radius at the moment. I can't remember what that was used for, but not going to use it anymore. Okay. So excuse me. Find all references. So burst count is not used either. Okay, we'll just take it out. Okay. Number of particles in system. Okay. And then the num vertices, let's put those up here. The vertices array contains position and color data. Position and color data, which is actually, yeah. Okay. These I want to move up because this is OpenGL stuff. Specifically, we would have that in any program. The speed array is a 2D vector for the speed of each particle. Which underscore exp is a 1D array to keep track of which explosion each particle belongs to. Okay. The life array keeps track of the lifetime of each explosion. New start array is used to the exp color array keeps track of each explosion's color. Init. Yeah, init. So far not too bad. It's been about 5.5 minutes and I've already commented all the variables specific to this particular program, all the global variables. Okay, so we don't have much further to go. We're on line 44 and we're going to go to line probably 154. Yeah. Of course, by the time we get down there, it's going to be okay. GL enable program point size. Now that GL enable. All right, let's just list the GL program point allows setting the size of points drawn by OpenGL in the vertex shader. Um, 0x8861. Oh, nice. Yeah, we don't use the scissor chest anymore, although that was really cool. Okay, and then we get into our GL stuff. Okay, we're just going to separate out some things here too. X start, Y start. They're used inside the init function, but where? Find all references. That's it. And Y start, find all references. That's it. So those variables aren't used anymore. Used them once upon a time. Okay. Let's compile, make sure we're still good. Nice. Excuse me, I'm just getting over some kind of a sore throat, coughing kind of thing. I have no idea what's going on with that. But okay, generate vertex arrays, bind vertex array. Okay. Do I want to comment these? I mean, not yet. Since that's OpenGL stuff. Life of explosions. Excuse me. Now, don't we have a See, and what we could do right here is like this. And then everywhere we go, we're going to want that variable. And then here, okay, oh, put it right there too. Oh, that's kind of cool. So now I can just go up here to number of explosions, change it to whatever I want. That's perfect. So in fact, let's try a few things. Number of explosions. Let's go up to 20. There are fewer particles per explosion, but that's normal. Then we go up to 2,500 particles. 20 explosions. That's so cool. Okay. Yeah, we're having fun. Darn. Alright. I'm going to lose this headset in a minute. Okay, life of explosions. And let's just comment it in here. Lifetime value. Positions. Colors. Okay, and then the vertices. And this actually already has pretty good comments, so we're gonna just go like that. And right here, init particles, assign each particle to an explosion. There we go. Nice. Now we have our OpenGL stuff, which we're going to skip for now. Skip for now. Okay, right here. Okay, then the update buffer function, right. Well, we have something fancy for display, why not for update buffer? Gotta be fancy, right? There you go. Decrease the life of the explosion each frame. Right there. Cycle through all the explosions if life equals 0. If any particular explosion reaches the end of its lifetime, reset the explosions location and color. New lifetime. Oh wait, did we not reset the explosion's color? What? Oh, that's why I was looking at it earlier. Well, you know the things you find when you start looking. So when I reset the explosion, hold on. Init random color for each particle. EXP color right here. So we need to add this. What the heck, Jeff? What are you doing? So this will look different now. Let's compile and run it. Because the explosions get different colors now each time that they regenerate. So now it's going to look better. Well, it'll look more random. I mean, the colors will be random. That's nice. I wondered because I was looking at one of the instances of the demo running, and I was like, the colors don't look like they actually, cycle. Looks like wait a minute, see, they're not cycling. See, they're all the same. The same three colors. So, what am I doing wrong there? Isn't it here? Number of explosions. Lifetime goes down if life equals 0. That particular life is going to go up. Set a new position. Set new color. All the vertices, which explosion? Vertices, new start. Wait a minute, when I assign the vertices, I assign the color. So you have to reset oh, so I just reset the position. I'm even forgetting this too. What the fox, Jeff? So you have to, okay, so when you're down here, hold on, assign new location and color to each particle from deceased explosion. And then right here we need to do this. New location. Except for right here, this is not going to be explosion. It's going to be I, right? These three here are going to be J. There, new start, I, right? Okay. Now let's try it. See, it's a good thing I lowered it down to just 3, and then there. So now we get different colors with each new explosion. Okay, so now you can go back up to. Well, it's a good thing I just decided what am I going to do with my projects, and I thought, why don't I just go through and set constant number of explosions. I thought, why don't I just go through and comment on my project and kind of get more of a grasp of what's going on. And it's a good thing I did, because I completely missed that. You never know what you're going to find until you try to comment on your code. So now we're completely random. The colors change. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. We're 20 minutes into this, so let's see, where's my cursor? I'm trying to keep track of the cursor to close the window. Okay. So actually, I think that's good. I think that's it. We found some stuff and we commented, and I think that's a good lesson. Always go through and comment your code. Yeah, this is a good example. I'm going to do this for each of the projects that I'm working on right now, and I'm going to create videos for each one. I may not do them all right away, but because I'll get distracted with other stuff that I get excited for that I want to see. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and of course remember to comment your code, and if you haven't had the opportunity to comment your code, go back and actually take some time to do it, because you'll get a greater grasp of what's going on in the project, and you'll get a sense of, well, you'll figure out perhaps what you've overlooked, and that's what I did in this case. Kind of cool. Alright. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.